up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Some G's right about now, you know what I mean? Me there, Bourbon in the building, Chavas in the building. Bourbon right there, playing game. Chavas right there, reviewing music. And you can see Bourbon a lead right now.
What do you have to Ricky them? What did you score yesterday?
28. Chavas scored 28. And he played Ricky Platinum twice and win yesterday.
Awesome G.
So right now I'm about to go cook some curry chicken for them because I don't know me need curry chicken. I don't know what I cook for myself yet, but yeah, so just journey with me. So right now I'm there and I'm in the kitchen, you know what I mean? So right now I just season up some chicken, cut up some chicken and season up. I not do enough because of Bourbon and Chavas alone. Because I don't know me still not consume me. So Ricky about to come link, we about to go touch road. I don't know what I consume yet. I probably do broccoli, cauliflower and something else. A long time I consume some mackerel, I probably do that, I'm not sure, but as I say me there, I'm not journey with me, so I'm not gonna say everything. Right now we are here. Ricky just forward, we are up on the road right now. We in the Maybach, you know, for your ox, you know what I mean? Bourbon is right there. Bourbon Bates. Boss say I'm gonna buy stew pork and cow foot. And you know, Ricky is right there in the building. Yo. You know what I mean? And then you have Andrew over here, skinning off his 48.
Thinking slick.
And we're going out. Yeah, I sang that for you. Yeah. Right now we are got Bravos because we need what me say me go buy?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. What your name?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Broccoli. Me need
buy one broccoli.
Me need one broccoli. Big carnival I go on over here so.
Up on day here.
If you no look. Yeah man. Yeah man, I be a thing I go on over here. Shabba vlog right there.
Right here.
Tomorrow a carnival?
Yeah man, tomorrow Juve. No, Sunday.
Sunday a carnival, but tomorrow Juve. Me no do then Juve something there now.
Tomorrow Juve.
No, me I tell him it's a Saturday at Juve. Today Thursday them a party all the time.
Holiday weekend man, you know, so you know party not for going, it's a bag of turning up. I feel like
yes, it's the spaceship.
Come out and say hi to everybody.
So what's going on? May I beg you, may I text you? You text me and tell me. Watch out people, watch out. Watch out.
Ricky bet me. Ricky bet me.
Where you win?
Bet me, no. Ricky bet me though.
Where you betting for? Where you win?
I want to drive well left me.
Bet. Yeah, we are here. So we are got Benison right now.
Juve? We out!
We not got Juve for real?
No, if you take keep over there.
Me not got none. Shabbat is vlogging over there and he say vlog now.
Nah.
Yeah, one other. What you say?
Stew chicken.
Pineapple chicken.
Oh, right.
Long time Ricky there! Ricky there! Oh, but we not the pineapple.
Alright. Strawberry chicken. Well, strawberry,
we're not the pineapple.
Yo, try a dragon chicken.
Yeah, we have a plan.
We do dragon jerk chicken.
We do dragon jerk chicken.
Yeah.
How it is?
Ask them. we do dragon jerk chicken with this.
Bacon soda.
We already know on the vlog, sir, Ricky.
We forgot, you know long Ricky now cook dog, especially
Bourbon say Ricky for cook.
yeah, Ricky is sitting
I
there.
don't have no season for me.
See, season there, it's season.
Me just buy scallion and time and him something.
Let me see what I'm going.
Me season it with only this already.
Pineapple for your add to it.
Me season it with this already.
No. Yeah, I'm famous.
Where you want? Where you want? Just tell me where you want and me find it. Which season you want? I have season there. You not get out of cooking today.
Scotch man there?
Scotch bunny there right there, so me pass to give him. No.
Everything there. We go
Because the poor me cover there, you see everything. Green pepper. Poor market, we just go to everything.
Oh, yeah, Ricky now go cookie. And that's the reason why I never sit them. I forgot to do that.
Potato,
no, the green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper.
Man, do you know Jamaican we cook with green red pepper?
Yes.
No.
What do you mean we don't cook with green and red pepper?
No, we mean we have
sweet
cook
pepper,
pot.
sweet
Yeah,
pepper.
sweet pepper. We got cook pot.
They just have so much color.
Yeah, I just see color in it in
Yeah.
the pot final. Man, sweet pepper and
Yeah, man, brown in there, man. Brown in there. Ricky now cook unless him have every single perfect ingredient.
Alright, so
Yo, cook your jerk
Some
chicken.
jerk chicken.
no, we jerk chicken straight through the seat. That bumpy I
Do a curry with potato.
Curry jerk.
Curry jerk.
Curry jerk.
Yeah, we can try that,
Yo,
no?
you can try it, but that might be.
Man, no, I joke, man.
You know, say
No,
curry.
we
Yeah,
can
just do the stew chicken way that.
Stew chicken?
Yeah, stew chicken way.
Alright, so I got stew chicken. And me just buy a whole heap of little food in it, so I go do broccoli for myself with cauliflower and 2 dirty girl, you know what I mean? So yeah, up it in, mad move. Yeah, we are link up back.
So we can
Ricky is gonna
after them
do
play that game,
his
well,
first
me no know,
record today,
we
guys.
are do work today.
Yes,
Alright, so
today.
we're gonna make this
He
record
made
today.
it.
We're gonna make
Bourbon
record
already
today,
made the
like
beat and everything, you know what I mean? Right?
We're gonna make a Ricky record.
Oh yeah, they are mixy.
No,
Oh yeah, do video.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, hype for you for it.
Yo, change.
Yo, me make a rhythm today, people.
You're famous.
Me make a rhythm today.
Every time you say that black in all, cut it out. This
Me
is
just
over.
jump on.
But
Wait, just jump on.
No, FL Studio today.
Kaboom yourself, yo.
Yo, listen me rhythm, dog. Yo, nobody na edit me rhythm, you know?
How the man deal with yourself?
Brother. Yeah,
You know, this your artist, this. Real artist.
real artist. So me there, I consume some, what is called? French onion dipping sauce with some something there. Bad, you know?
Yeah, see, so.
Over there.
Spin it again.
Turn it up!
What's it?
What I know?
Spin it again.
That's right.
That's right. So right now me there, you don't know we don't cook and everything already. Me consume the food. Bourbon, how is the food? Because me no taste, you know.
Good, but you taste the chicken.
No, me no taste nothing. Me cook it blind.
There's no more pepper in it.
Is it pepper?
What you say, yeah?
Me don't know you do one quint there.
I don't eat chicken, guys. So remember, we
Yo.
think different now.
Yo.
Yeah, Chavas don't eat chicken.
Think different.
Food with 100, man.
We think different now.
But me not believe you when you say no try the chicken.
Me not try.
Yo,
Not even
yo,
girl, me no
I
taste.
chicken body.
You know, might be not know yet, but my barber want to fight me. We're gonna have a boxing match.
Right.
Him fit, but famous, we not do it over there.
Right now, Chris want to challenge Chavas in a boxing match.
listen, people.
But Chavas a run.
We are team, me and your friend, and I say me I run by you.
Shabba sa ass for the fight. And I back out.
Should have bump him, me no-
Chavas have a bump, so he don't want to fight with the bump. But Chris ready for fight. Chris actually did 200 push-up just now, just to show Chavas in
How
fit
much
and ready.
weight?
Chavas do what? 215?
Oh.
Yes, 215. He do so.
Oh.
Chris, what you have to say about that?
Tired,
Yeah, we're there up and we are doing this. Me about to just trim.
Look at tired
Me about to just trim right. Yo,
Never ever.
Chavas are wicked. Chris and knock out Chavas. Remember me tell you, I go bet some money on Chris. And me and Chris just work up something and we share the
Yo, we
money.
have a chick,
You know, and share the money, so right. So yeah, right now, I go trim, so I link on the back. Some G's them right about now, you don't know if everybody gone home, Chavas gone, Chris just left, me just done trim. Bourbon just done trim, but Bourbon gone in a fever room. Me about to go upstairs now, go bathe and edit this and make gonna get a vlog. So now have something fortunate. I mean, I think Bourbon there for but
Sick.
you know what I mean? So we're there. And what we call it a night, so hope it is not blessings and respect. Mad move.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.